reactjs is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. So it is used to build single page applications, and we can create reusable UI components. So let's get started with the window PowerShell. So let's open checking node version. You can check out the npm version. So let's write here npm versions, and once you checked it out, you can install npm. So write down npm install. It is displaying 10.9.0. so now let's install once I have installed node.js and npm, we will go for npx create react app. Npx create react app, and you can write any name whatever you want. For the app, I have written my react app. So my react app, my react app, and here you can go and you can see the folder and your app, and now you can run the here you can run your app. So npm start, and it will open the localhost 3000, and once it will open, then you can check out the my react app folder. Here you will be having public folder and one source folder, and here is the backlog json files, package json file. So here is the app.js we have opened here. So in app.js we are writing the functions app, and then we are writing the uh, return what to return, and in return you can write all the HTML and JavaScript code. And so let's make the divisions, and we can write the class name app, and here is the header, class name app headers, and now you can see the react app, it is open for you. And but here what we are seeing we are seeing the react app image logo, and you can start editing from the source app.js and save to reload. And here is the learn react if you want to explore it. So I don't want to this learn react, so let's unnecessary files you can remove it. So and I don't want a logo in my file, so let's remove the image logo. And then uh, we don't want to import CSS file and logo right now, so just we remove it. And we can import like import react from react. Now you can see that it is displaying localhost 3000, and since I have written welcome in the header file in return section, so it is displaying that. And now you can have changes over this, and you can see what it displays, so it is fun. So let's do it.